Okay, I want to talk about this so bad, but I'll probably come back to it. But I'm about to put in my clip-ins. No one's talking about this, at least no one that looks like me. Oh yeah, and if you want to keep your edges super silky, I use a stocking cap now under my scarf because this elastic band just like literally keeps my edges so silky when I use it. So yeah, that's my new hack. Like just keeping, I wish it would stay down in the back and do the ones in the back too, but it keeps my edges like so silky. When I wake up, they're like I press them. So happy for that. And then my hair be so silky as well underneath. But yeah, you can see my edges like they're, I haven't straightened my hair in like a week. I did it twice this month. And I haven't put heat on my hair since, and my hair has been silky. Just using that stocking cap, doing the wraparound and putting on the stocking cap. And I'll show you that in another video as well, how I do that. I'm just gonna add in a bit of clip-ins. I feel like I want the hair to be longer. This is the length of my hair, so I just feel like I want longer hair. So I'm gonna try to lay them down a little lower than I normally do. I'm gonna start at the back of my head. Just want them to be longer. I just want longer hair. So I come back here. It might be way too long. We'll see. So I'm starting from the back. What is this one? I'm just gonna like, I just want it to be longer. Like this. And it still needs a little, whatchamacallit, but it just looks prettier longer right now. I'll show you in a minute. So this is what the clip-ins look like after installing them. I did not have to put any heat on my hair. Once I got the clip-ins in, all I did was comb my hair through because it was newly washed. And so this is just another hair hack that I can't live without. These clip-ins come in so clutch, and I love the way they look, and it gave me more volume, and my hair looks fuller and longer. In this clip, I'm just ranting. I have an upcoming video where I talk about womanhood, the real womanhood. And so if you're interested in that, I'll be dropping that soon. So stay tuned for that. And let's get into the next hair hack. So heatless girls need a little heat. Let's be honest. Like, us as black girls can't just spray our hair with water and then put in the heatless rod. They need a little help, or they need to be in with a little hairspray overnight. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So yeah, I'm going to try and attempt the heatless curlers, but after trying, it worked, but one side of my heatless curls just was not working. And so I don't know if I told y'all this before. Curls, I don't like curls, and curls don't like me. Let's be clear. Curls don't like me, and I don't like them either. So trying to achieve the heatless curl method, it works. So I do recommend this, but on freshly blowed out hair mainly, and of course you need to add a little heat if you want it to last over time. But I am going to try this on a wig that I'm going to cut some layers in, so stay tuned for that. But I do love the heatless curl look, but I really want that big bouncy look, so I'm going to do this on a wig in an upcoming video. And yeah, I will be braiding all my hair down like I told y'all in the month of October. and going full wig because my leave out is fried, dyed, and laid to the side, and I'm just ready to give up altogether. But we're not gonna give up. We're just gonna keep at it, and we're just gonna give it a little bit more time to like rejuvenate itself and grow back and get thicker and fuller. So yeah. So what I think I want to do is I just want to like make sure I pick up all the hair and twist it underneath with my hands first. So the ends, the mini ends can be underneath here. All of this can be underneath, right? And then I think I have to bend it this way for this one on this side to stay. Because there ain't no way I'm bending it that way. Yeah, I have to bend it this way. But you just want to make sure it's nice and taut. And then bend it some way, girl. Figure out which way and bend it. Okay? It's sticking down. Well, I got them up, but I'm not sure if the curl on this side is gonna come out right. But if not, I'll just curl it tomorrow or whatever. But I think it's so cute. I just think it's so dainty. But yeah, I'm gonna give myself like 2 little baby hairs.
Auntie, what's going on with your hair? I took the plaits out. It got washed and all that. It's separate. What's wrong with it? I just got up. Y'all think I gotta come on here lay to slay all the time? This me right now, baby. I just woke up. What's the problem? What's wrong with your hair? It's growing. You see it's growing. I got a couple inches. It was shorter than this. You didn't know that? Girl, it was a little old pixie. I've been a pixie to the Dixie, Hixie, Wixie, Lixie. Look at it now. I got inches, dentures, lynches, honey. Listen, it's mine. It's mine. It feels so good to not have that dome glued onto your head or them long 12 pounds of synthetic, I don't know what that is coming to pack. You need too many. I said, man, get this heavy horse tail out my head, man.
So the 3 hacks that I can't currently live without will be the stocking cap, wrapping my hair with a stocking cap when I want it to be straight. That one works every time. Clip-ins will be the next one. When I'm in between hairstyles and I just want a little volume and I want to wear my hair, let my scalp breathe, I'll do clip-ins. And then I recommend the heatless curls because, of course, anything that will keep you able to keep heat off your hair, you see, it don't work for me, but maybe it'll work for you. And I am going to attempt it again. Like I said, in the next video, we'll be doing a wig. The next hair video, which will probably be next Thursday, we'll be doing a wig, and I'll attempt to do the heatless curlers again. So I truly do recommend that. This is what the hair turned out. You know, again, curls don't like me. They fall instantly. But let's give it another shot. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.